You know, as somebody who installs these and sells these every single day, I get asked a lot, how durable are these solar panels? What can they withstand? Can they handle a rainstorm? How about a hailstorm? How about some rocks from the neighborhood kids? How about a baseball? How about a baseball bat? Well, I think today is a good day to find out. Seems pretty solid to me. Let's put it through the test. So far, so good. So this is the Hyundai 350 watt solar panel, which EZ Solar and Electric does offer. Okay, so this is the true test. I'm a little bit nervous. This car is extremely heavy. It's a hybrid Prius, so it has the weight of all the batteries. Fail or pass, we're about to find out.